Oh yeah, it's time. Hun, it's time. Hun, we gotta go test out a new Gladiator.
You're the worst.
We gotta go.
I'm gonna take your keys.
Come on, wake up. What are you doing?
Come on.
Okay, you ready?
Yes.
All right, let's go.
Let's go.
What's going on, everybody? Welcome back to the channel and welcome back to another video. It's finally time to test out the Gladiator Offroad. And look who's joining us, the old Cherokee. So Jack is my brother-in-law, and we gave him the Cherokee a while ago. He's been fixing it up, doing a lot of cool stuff to it. And this is one of his first times hitting the trails. It's gonna work out perfectly because the Gladiator, we're gonna stick to the green and blue trails, see how it does on some of this East Coast wheeling. Hopefully it's not gonna be anything like my last video at Roush Creek in the JK. I really don't want any body damage on this today. Jack, you want body damage on the Cherokee?
Nope.
We gonna roll it? Are we sending it?
Oh no.
Oh, this thing's looking good, man. He replaced the hood, new headlights, new fog lights in there, all new steering stuff, brakes. Well, you went with the power stop brakes, right? Yeah.
Yeah, and I fixed the death wobble.
Fix the death wobble. That's the perfect way to start off owning a Jeep, right? We're gonna go hit the trails, have some fun, meeting up with some other people on the trails today. Let's do it. Whoop-pow! We're here. Time to air down. Dylan doesn't want to be on camera.
It's on camera.
What's your name?
Dylan. Out here with him.
We got the XJ, Jack. We got James's JKU over there. And oh, what was your name again?
Blake.
Blake. That's Dylan's brother. He's driving the white TJ over there. So James, I hate to say it, this is probably the only time I'll ever say it, but he has the most capable Jeep here. I hate saying that. What a...
Dude, you don't even have a light bar.
I don't have a light bar, nothing. I have nothing. But time to air down the tires. All right, I'm gonna put this tire cocks on James's Jeep. Thread's right on. Wonder how long it's gonna take him to notice that. Beautiful. Time to finish up airing down. And we're off, heading to the trails. Excited to see how this thing does. I'm excited to get out and film, let Cassie drive so I can get some good shots of this thing.
Yeah, I'm excited for that too.
Hopefully get underneath and see what the clearance looks like. That's my big thing, is when we're driving over rocks, how much clearance do we have? You know, above the skid plates, above the frame rails, all that stuff. But we're gonna test it out. It is a perfect day here in Uwharrie National Forest. See you guys soon. All right, 4 low, sway bar disconnected, tires aired down. I might need to be in drive instead of neutral. See how she does, man. Yeah, my tires are aired down all funky. I don't have all the cool gear and gadgets that I do in my JK, so I had to air them down, you know, with the little tire deflators. I don't have my nice air gauge. So we're at 19 PSI on one, 16 on the other, and 21 on the rear. Oh well, it'll work. All right, so far it's nice and smooth, huh?
Yeah, it was a crazy hill we just went up.
Dude, wow, this thing's awesome off-road, guys. It's so weird wheeling with the automatic transmission. I love it. All right, here we go. We're gonna rub again. Let's see.
Oh, you're good, you're good.
Do you even have a top with you or no?
Yeah.
Well, dude, it wasn't even supposed to rain today. I think it's gonna make it interesting because we're gonna start getting some wet, slimy mud. Wait, come back! Come back! Oh, this is slippery. This is slippery. Oh, we're gonna scrape good one here. Oh yeah. So far, these trails are just pretty much like a muddy dirt road with a bunch of little humps. I'm excited to get to some rocks, see how it does there. Let's see where it's hitting. Yeah, that's to be expected though. It is a very long wheelbase rig. Geez, that's bad. That's like, do a couple laps on this trail and these bumps are just gonna be gone. I mean, at least we can't blame it on your driving. That's a great thing about this. If you ever can't make it up a trail, if you're just like, oh, I'm high center, it's like it's the truck's fault. Yep. It's never the driver in this thing.
You know, Ben has a really good strategy this trip. The JT's brand new, so he's making me drive on our first wheeling trip. So if anything breaks, it's my fault.
Her fault,
it's
her
my
fault. Yes. And when things are her fault, just like when things are my fault, I get in trouble, so she gets in trouble. And that means I just get to buy more aftermarket parts for it. We gonna rub?
I don't want to go.
Ooh, that's a Dana 60 right there. A couple more and we're going 40s. Yeah, so far there's not too much crazy trail action. Be nice to get a little bit of rocks and less of these speed bumps going on.
It's about to be the lamest flex of the day.
See what she's got though.
Sorry.
That's about as far as they go.
Tires off the ground.
Really worried about the belly clearance, but
You're clear for now. You're good?
Good?
I think you'll be good. Yeah.
yeah, if the exhaust clears, I'm happy with it.
Oh, you're up.
That's fine.
Up.
You're gonna have to have more of a bump.
You have to go. So far, a lot of the trails we've been doing is just packed mud, and it's just the red clay, the nasty stuff, and it's nothing too challenging.
Except for the speed bumps.
Except for the speed bumps. We keep crunching on. Definitely need to get a lift and 35s at least.
At a minimum. Oh, here we go. This will be cool. Little muddy section right here.
Yeah. Oh. Beautiful.
You're good. You're good.
Good.
Yeah, you're good. I'm excited to crawl underneath this thing once we wash it, clean it up. Either crawl underneath, put it up on a lift, and see where most of this impact is happening. I'm thinking is the transfer case skid. I don't know, but it'll be interesting to see where the lowest point, or you know, where that breakover angle is, right in the middle of that wheelbase, see where we're hitting. Because I haven't really crawled underneath and looked yet. Cassie is so stressed driving this, and I don't blame her. I mean, it's a $54,000 Jeep with no mods, scraping the bottom. Personally, I just think it's fun. I mean, it's not, the Jeep has skid plates. We're hitting the skid plates, and you can always upgrade. Oh, we got scrape. Oh no. All right, now take it slow. We're gonna rub the rock rails just nice and slow. Yep, you're at the bump. There we go. Awesome. We're at a little downhill climb section. This is what I remember. It starts getting a little technical. Once again, the GoPro does not show the steepness or the rocks, dun, 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 or the booty gains. But this turn right here is gonna be very challenging. This is a very sharp turn. This is gonna be fun. Dun, dun. This is definitely a little more technical, especially for a truck. We'll come down. It's gonna have no issues coming down here. The issue is where he's at now, making this turn around that bigger rock. All right, nice and slow. You're good. Slow. Little more driver. Slow. 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 Just, yeah, hold that brake. Is that brake all the way? That's all the way brake? Yeah. All right, just keep it slow, you're good. Keep it going slow. There you go. Keep it going slow.
I think don't
Yep, hold that, you're good. You're good.
good. Straighten it out a little. There you go. Okay, straighten it out.
Oh, that's not deep at all, is it?
No, you're good. Just a trailer hitch. And trailer hitch again.
Yeah, right there, right there, right there. You got that. Straighten it out. Super clear. Belly's good. And on the rail. All right, so you're up to a little bit. Hold on. I was good.
Got so many people are doing so many things.
It's stopping me. That was lame. It keeps cutting in and out. Oh well.
There's also switching wheels.
I was hoping to do a sick burnout. Brandon now. Oh man.
We're the only ones not with the doors off and top off. Hey, let me in! Oh, nice!
All right, we're good.
The funny thing is, I had planned to take the top and doors off because there was no chance of rain today. 0% chance of rain today. I'm glad we didn't. Nice soft top.
Yeah. Car class edition.
So we're almost at the top. We're gonna stop there and get a picture and just enjoy the views. Dylan just spotted some fresh wood. About 15 minutes ago, coming up the trail, there was a huge lightning bolt. Or what? Yeah, there was a big old lightning bolt. That's right. Yeah, lightning bolt. And we think this is where it hit. If you look up there, right in the tree, completely split. There's little splinters of wood everywhere, and this is fresh, man. Smell it? Smells like a lumberjack just came through. That is where the lightning hit. That is sick. And just look at, you can see all the fresh splinters everywhere. Because it hit somewhere up here. Look at that. Oh, you can see the curve. What? Dude, you can see where it wrapped around the tree. Dude, that is insane. Lightning bolt strike. Imagine if we were right there.
I know.
Like if we were here, like,
Had we not dropped him off, oh, I guess that would have been the difference.
I don't know, but that would be sick, just driving by in a lightning strike. No, because it would. Let's see, tree or the metal thing? What's gonna get?
You come here with a brand new Jeep and you're driving it fine, and then
Dude, boom! Call insurance, like, hey, lightning struck my Jeep. This thing rides so smooth off road. It's beautiful. I do like the Fox shocks, I will say that. And it's crowded up here. Normally I'm the one doing Daniel, but not in this truck. Not without a lift kit, some bigger tires. At the top of Daniel, this is a beautiful view. I was gonna finish up the video here, talk about the Jeep as a whole, its capabilities, what I noticed today, and all that stuff, but got distracted. This guy's doing a recovery on another Grand Cherokee that's down the hill, busted their axles down there, so he's gonna winch them up. Got talking with those guys. I think we're just gonna head back. We gotta pack up camp, help James, and then pack up camp and head home. I'll finish off this video and talk about the Jeep and how it did once we get home or something, but it's just such a beautiful view out here, man. It's breathtaking, just looking out in the distance and realizing how high up we are. So that's it. I think that's it for today, guys.
We need to throw a lift, 35s pronto.
Lift, 35s, and floor mats.
And floor mats, first and